Ever wanted to travel the world but felt held back by your budget? It's a common concern that stops many of us from exploring as much as we'd love to. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to share some practical tips and tricks to help you travel on a budget. Our first tip is to travel during off-peak seasons. This savvy move often results in cheaper flights and accommodation. Plus, tourist spots are less crowded. It's like getting the VIP treatment without the VIP price tag. So, consider scheduling your trips during non-peak times to save money and avoid crowds. Next up, let's talk about accommodation. Don't overlook hostels, Airbnb, or even camping. These are all budget-friendly options that can save you a pretty penny. Remember, you're there to explore the location, not the inside of a hotel room. Our third tip revolves around getting around and eating. Opt for public transport over taxis, rental cars. It's economical and authentic. For meals, explore local markets or cook your own fare. With a bit of research, you can find cheap and delicious local food and affordable ways to get around. To wrap up, let's quickly summarize our tips for budget traveling. Remember, travel off-peak, seek out budget accommodations, use public transport, and opt for local or self-cooked meals. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to seeing the world without breaking the bank. Safe travels.